Curly hair can be straightened on occasion. Of course, if you want to maintain those curls and keep them healthy, it's not something you want to do often. And how you want to do that is always use a heat protectant. That way, if you're using higher temperatures, you're not disrupting that curl to the extent that when you wear it curly again, there's been heat damage. So you always want to use a heat protectant. You always want to treat your curls as gentle as possible and use really good irons. Some irons even infuse more moisture into the hair. And great products is always a factor. Leave-in conditioners. You just want to do anything you can to protect those curls so when you wear them again, they look the same.